Hello, Roadrunners and families. I wanted to just go back over where students and families can find some online books or ebooks, just in case your children are saying, I don't have any books to read. I want to show you an easy way to find it. As always, you're going to go to your class link through LCISD. Once you're in class link, you've signed in. I want to show you, I've already talked several times about Mac and VIA. Mac and VIA is a great place to go. We keep adding more and more books. You can look at them by categories. You can just search all resources. You can look at ebooks. There's audio books. There are thousands of books here to check out. You can check out a book or a couple of books for 2 weeks. And then it checks it back in. If you're not finished with it, they can go back and recheck it. But this is just a great place to go. There are tons of books here. Another place I want to show you is right here. It's called Tumble Books. If you go to Tumble Books Travis, again, we got storybooks, read-alongs, ebooks, graphic novels, nonfiction. You can just kind of go here and look at all the different books that we have to choose from. Now, Tumble Books is offering this free through the summer, so it's a great place to go. Check it out. And then another place is Storyline Online. Storyline Online is where actors have donated their time to read different children's books. And there are tons of different books here. You can go in, and that would be a great way just to kind of have a nighttime story, kind of watch it together. I just love Storyline Online, and you can look at all the books right here if you want to look at them by ABC order. Again, I just wanted to show you guys some of the places that you can go to find books. If you wanted to do research, Learn 360 right here would be a great place to do research. You've got BrainPop Junior, and then here you have library resources like PebbleGo. PebbleGo is great for Kinder first and second. National Geographic Kids, that's great from like first grade through fifth grade. We even have the Britannica in Spanish, Britannica Encyclopedia in English. We have World Book here, and when you click on World Book, it also gives you an option to search. You can look at Spanish, you can look at the lower level, and then the upper level. So this is a great place if you're wanting to look at some nonfiction stuff, if you're wanting to do some research, look into the Learning Library Resource page. Again, I hope you guys are safe. Miss you guys, and just continue reading. Do not forget about our Beanstack Challenge. Our Beanstack Challenge is where you go in and you read and you enter your time that you've read. You can either enter it daily or you can enter it weekly, and you earn badges. So it's called the Travis Earth Day Challenge. I am posting every Monday the students how many badges they have and how many minutes they've read. So I encourage you guys to go in there to Beanstack and log your minutes. 50 minutes gives you one badge. 100 minutes a week will earn you the second badge. Don't forget, Roadrunners, keep reading. Miss you guys. Have a great day. Bye.